and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel we focus on credit, finances, and money management. So today is actually Fix My Credit Friday. So if you are new to my channel, this is a segment where I give tips and advice to help you fix your credit and gain control of your finances. So most of the topics that I do cover do come from questions that I receive from one of my social media followers or from one of my clients. So in today's video, I want to go over the 3 mindset shifts that you really need to make once you are ready to start fixing your credit. Now, before I jump into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my future videos are posted on YouTube. Now, the first mindset shift that you need to make is that fixing your credit is a marathon, it is not a sprint. If you do have really low credit scores, it's going to take time for you to improve your scores. Now, unfortunately, too many people are looking for quick fixes and fast results. Now, while there are things you can do to boost your scores a bit, right? You can dispute a collections account and have it removed. You can have some late payments removed if your lender will do it as a courtesy. But generally speaking, it's going to be really hard to boost your scores 200 to 300 points overnight. Now, the problem that I have with companies that offer these quick fixes is the fact that they're not addressing the root of your problem. So you have bad credit for a reason, right? So whether it's you've made bad financial decisions or you have bad habits when it comes to managing your money, right? If you have not fixed these problems, you're going to eventually end up with bad credit in the future. So the second mindset shift that you need to make is that you need to have a budget. So your budget is going to be your financial advisor, and if you're budgeting correctly, it's going to be your best friend. Your budget is there to help you track your expenses so you can make sure to pay your bills on time, like your car loans, student loans, credit cards, etc. So paying your bills on time is really important because 35% of how your FICO score is calculated is based on your payment history. So if you are not actively tracking your expenses and managing how you spend your money, I really want to encourage you to get a budget ASAP. Now, my favorite software for budgeting is called YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. Now, you can check out this software for free by going to the link down below, and you can sign up for this app for free for 34 days. Now, what I love about YNAB is that it also has an app so you can monitor and manage your budget on the go. Now, this is really helpful if you have a spouse or a partner, and this way you both can have access to the data real time so everyone kind of knows what's going on with the budget at any given time. Now, the third mindset shift that you need to make while fixing your credit is that you need to change your priorities. So if you have bad credit or if you are in debt, having the newest wardrobe or the latest smartphone really should not be a priority. So while these things can give you immediate gratification, they aren't bringing you any closer to achieving your financial goals. So you must be willing to sacrifice in the short term so you can work on achieving your long-term financial goals. Now, if you are someone who is struggling with bad credit, I do have a credit repair toolkit, which is a step-by-step guide to help you in your credit repair journey. So you can check that out by going to the link in the description box below. So those are the 3 mindset shifts that you need to make once you are ready to start fixing your credit. Now, if you have gone through your own credit repair journey, let me know down below what other things helped you be successful. I would love to hear more about your story. Now, as always, thank you for catching today's video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.